He's an actor. I think you're an actor.
You're an actor.
You're a great actor.
It's not like.
Nah, bro. I'm cutting hair. And I teach millions of people how to cut hair. Millions of people have went to school based off of my videos. So to say that, oh, he's an actor and he's putting on this entertainment show, bro, kill that noise.
HustleDreamProduction.
All right, you guys, listen, it was really going down in the barber industry over this weekend. Listen, we had a versus battle between Papito and Angel Raw. Now, I don't want to get into it right now about how I felt about the battle, so we're gonna just cut hair, okay? And I'll tell you a little later on how everything played out, all right? I haven't gotten any packages, or I have gotten packages. I just haven't done this in a while. But I got 2 packages to open up. Let's start with this one. This is the box, okay? And chances are we know what this is already. Probably 100% some shoes. I dang near stabbed myself. You seen that? I guess I gotta go this way. My chest really hurts, I'm gonna be honest. The way my chest is set up, stabbing myself with some some scissors. Ugh, look at that. Boom. This is hard. Shout out to Seth Fowler. Shout out to Jason Negrito. I think I said that right. If I said it wrong, my bad. Shout out to We Are Underdogs. These here, it's a dope collab. You guys see my other colorway. They came out with the black one, so I had to pick these up too. But let's see what else is in that other bag. All right, I know what this is. I see the name on the box. on the bag. And right now, I'm gonna need all the barbers stand up right now. Use code Jeezy15 for 15% off on all your capes. All right, stand up. We got Mamba in the building. What you talking about? What you mean? Come on now. Let's talk about it. I'm about to use this for the rest of the day. What you talking about? Come on. Come on right now. What do you mean? You guys ain't feeling me, man. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
always, bro. You guys, did you guys just witness the fall? You guys got to pay attention to this right now. Oh my God. Why? Why? Oh God. That's how you feel. But luckily, thanks to my man Arlene, he gave me a, come on Arlen, this was the regular one. So there's a difference, right? There's like a regular, hold on, I gotta cover my face. It's a regular one, and then there's one that has like the modified like point to it that I be getting. This man gave me the regular one. Great.
Oh, hey, man. Gay, like you got that to Arlen.
Great. Wait a minute. Let's talk about it, okay? Let's just talk about it. YouTube, what would you do? I don't even know if you guys know about this. You guys, okay, leave it up to George. You guys know about it. But what I'm saying is, I don't know if I talked about this or not, right? Now, what would you do? We're talking about this blade right here, all right? You see how it kind of, it's at a point. It's like if you used the Chuka blade and basically used it for a minute and then come out with a point. You know what I mean? There's a difference. There's a modified one, then there's a regular one. Now, I told my man George, right, about this blade. He went on his YouTube channel and told everyone about it. Now we cannot even order it no more. YouTube, should we even, Memo, you know what, Memo, should we ever tell him?
Never again, bro.
Never, ever again. Tell George.
There's a fire.
George, talk about it.
Huh?
Talk about
Hey,
it.
look, even though they didn't want to tell me about this blade, I figured out how to do it myself.
Ooh, okay. Wow.
First of all, you didn't even ask us, bro.
What is this, independency? Come on, man. But listen, never tell anybody where you get your modified blades on. Because once you tell them, they're going to get sold out. I got like 4 of these coming, but it took like a whole year for them to restock. All because of George, you know?
First one, second one. First one.
All right, before I go to lunch, shout out to Sean Cuts Hair. All right, he I think he sent me some enhancement cards. Let me see. Yeah, he sent me a bunch of enhancement cards to give out to the rest of the crew. You know what I'm saying? So how about we just do that right now? Might as well. One for you, sir.
Thank you.
One for you, sir.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you.
Sean.
One for you, sir.
Don't mind if I do.
For you, sir. For you, sir.
Thank you.
For you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Excuse me, anybody back here? For you, sir.
What is this?
Sean Cuts Hair. He don't want to do these.
Oh, the one from Appreciate it.
Yep. For you, sir, even though you're not here. For you.
I'll take another one.
Sean Cut Hair, thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, you guys, so let's talk about the battle real quick. Alright, the battle, it was dope, man. They put on for like barbers, like period. Just the way they set it up, I like. They did it just like the verses. I could tell like as they keep doing it, it's gonna get better and better and better. But basically, Papito and Angel Ross, they went head to head. You know what I mean? They was talking their junk. Everybody was on live. You know, I was talking in the live. You know, I was commenting. I was doing talking my stuff. And, you know, the battle was dope. But what I realized is that it's a difference between Instagram barbers and YouTube barbers. Okay? Let me explain. I don't know why I moved to this other chair, but listen, let me tell you something. Let me explain, okay? YouTube barbers have to show the beginning to the end, how they did it, everything. You have to see it. There is no hiding when it comes to filming your cuts, all right? A video is a video. What you're gonna see is what you get, all right? Now, let me tell you something about Instagram, no, okay? Because this blew my mind that I didn't know, okay? That I knew it, but I just didn't think they was doing it, okay? Let me explain. When it comes to Instagram barbers, there is a such thing called Photoshop. Okay, now I didn't know these two were photoshopping. Okay, I didn't know these things, but it just blew my mind seeing the live haircut and then going to their Instagram and see something totally different. I just couldn't fathom it. You know what I mean? So I went live. I was going off. I was like, man, I forgot what I was exactly saying, but it just was blowing my mind. Okay, the whole topic, the whole battle, it just did something to me. So basically, everybody was just going back and forth, all right? Chris Basio went live. Al went live. Bones the Goat went live. If you are a name in the industry, all right, Marv went live. Everybody went live because of this. And Papito and Angel Ross, they both went live. And Angel said something that I was hurt. I'm not gonna lie, I was hurt. Because this is something I do not like people thinking that I'm some type of actor, man.
Who would you say are the top 3 faces of the barber industry? Look,
I'm trying to get on y'all's level. So.
360 says he's pretty much the biggest name in the game.
I like 360. I just think he's more of a character than a barber.
That's true. I definitely love his character.
He's a character. He's an actor.
I love it. Yeah.
So check it out. Here's what happened, okay? I went on the live to explain the reason why I'm not an actor. Listen. I need to talk my stuff real quick. 'Cause I hate being counted out. Okay. I hate being counted out, and I hate when people like sit here and say like, oh man, I didn't think 360 Jeezy was like a barber. He an actor. I'm gonna show you facts.
And just say
I already seen him.
He's an actor. I think you're an actor.
You're an actor.
You're a great actor.
It's not like.
Where do you see an act? This is me cutting hair.
I know.
Where do you see an act? This is me cutting hair.
No, look on top.
Where do
When
you
he's
see
dancing.
an
No,
act?
dancing. The
This
dancing
is me
video.
cutting my
No,
son.
the dancing
Where
video.
do
The
you
dancing
see an
video.
act? This is me cutting hair.
Look.
Where
No,
do
the
you
dancing
see?
video.
Where do you see acting in any of
That's
this?
cool, bro.
No.
Where do you see acting in any of this stuff?
You're talking about the character, the
character,
character that he
yeah.
puts out.
Yeah,
I love it. I love it. I like it. Look up top, on top. You see that video on top? The bottom, at the bottom, on the videos, right there. That right there. You see that? Like, look at his facial expressions, his character. Hell yeah. Can he be an actor? I know he could be a hell of an actor.
When has acting became being yourself? Being yourself is not acting.
Okay,
this
so
is who
no.
I am.
No, you're taking it wrong.
Yeah, you are taking it wrong. Yeah. Boom,
I'm not taking it wrong because I'm not going to sit here and let y'all say that I'm an actor, though. I'm not acting. I cut hair. I teach thousands, millions of people how to cut hair. So for y'all to sit here and say I'm an actor, I felt like, dang, y'all.
No, but that's not bad.
Y'all curbed me right.
But that's not bad. But that's not bad. That's not bad, bro. Listen.
Maybe entertainer is a better word.
Okay, you're right. Entertainer.
But
it's his
the
character.
saddest thing is you could be all of that. You could be all of that and still be a great barber. You don't have to be. You don't have to be just cutting hair to be, you know what I mean, a great barber. So for you to throw me in a box and say that, oh man, I'm just an actor, I'm an entertainer.
He's more of a character than a barber.
Nah, bro, I'm cutting hair. And I teach millions of people how to cut hair. Millions of people have went to school based off of my videos. So to say that, oh, he's an actor and he's putting on this entertainment show, bro, kill that noise.
No, no, no.
Kill
He didn't get it. He didn't get it. He didn't get it. No,
just an
no.
actor. The actor. This
Yeah,
is me. This is who I am.
yeah.
I bring my personality out on camera, and I cut hair.
That's what we
That,
meant. We meant like the way he is. Like for instance, you. Like I feel like Angel's serious. So when I say, oh, like the way you act, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That doesn't mean like you putting an act or you being fake. That means, yo, the way you act, the way you behave yourself. There you
right.
go. That's the word.
It was just the way he
Yeah.
said. I don't even think he cuts hair. I thought he was an actor. I'm like, bro,
Yeah.
what?
Nah,
What?
but listen, real quick. No, no, no. But now we explained it. Now we explained it. Now we good. But I just wanted to let people know, like, cause I don't want people to think that that anybody's checking anybody over here. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's not like that. You know what I'm saying?
Right
But
now,
you get
I just don't want the narrative out there to be that Jeezy is this actor. Like, nah, I don't work too hard in the barber industry.
Like
no,
I
no,
thought
no,
you
no,
was
no.
a YouTube entertainer.
Yeah. No, no, no. But you understood when he said actor. We should actually explain it better. But we didn't mean it that way. Anyways, yeah, we didn't. Yeah.
Nah, I definitely a lot of people was like, oh yeah, actor. He, you know what I mean?
Oh,
Because
bro, listen.
people say anyway.
Oh,
So I
listen.
feel that noise. Like, now I'm not an actor. I'm being myself. Yeah, I entertain people as well as cut hair. But first and
Look,
foremost, cut hair. That's what I do. I get waves and I cut hair. Period.
look. Everybody asked about who do we think is the face of barbering. Now, here's the thing. 360's been making more noise than A-Rod. A-Rod is just still trying to figure out whatever impressions. Oh shit! Look, 1.3 billion impressions.
Wait a minute. I got to make this point right here. That's just from January 1st through December 12th. Okay, that day was 1.3 billion impressions. All right, that's just for the year. That is not counting the whole time I've been on YouTube. I just want to make that point. Put some more respect on it.
Hey, question. Now that you say that, can we check somebody else's insights?
You don't want to do that. Not putting them up against mine. You don't want to. I've been on YouTube longer than anybody, so
that's true.
You don't want to do that.
That's true. Honestly, and the fact that you have the fact that you have more subscribers, you know, tells it. I ain't gonna lie. He posted his analytics. It says 1.3 billion impressions. That alone, right there, is like that. That's the number. That's it. I mean, that number tells it all.
If you want to see acting, Jeezy, show him some acting. All right, so Jeezy, let me paint the scene for you. Your dog just died. You came home. She's on the floor, lying there. Action. Hash brown! Oh no! Hash brown, no! Oh, why? 1, 2. Let me give you another scenario. You're surrounded by a group of thugs, okay? They betrayed you, okay? Action. Well. You think you guys can sit here and disrespect? You think you can come here and disrespect me? Not today. Johnny, Bobby, Rose, Allison, I helped you. I helped all of you. And this is what you do to me? I will have y'all in Pelican Bay before I let y'all do this to me. Jeezy, you're not an actor, bro. Let's just find a different career, okay? Cause you're not an actor, bro. Just you're not.